Hello, I'm Nick Baker, and let me introduce you to my spider world. Spiders are probably, I reckon, one of the most misunderstood creatures on this planet. And of course, we have a huge variety of different species that all do very different things right here at home in the UK. Now, this was the whole point, the drive behind this particular kit, because I wanted people to really understand that spiders weren't anything to be really frightened of. It's just a simple case of getting to know them and getting past all those things, all those negative things we superimpose on them. So my spider world is really an introduction to spiders, and that's the best way of looking at it. If you've got a child in the family, maybe you're scared of spiders yourself and you really don't want them to share your phobia or what you think is a phobia, then this could be the answer. The spider is safe in there, it's secure, it's not going to get out, yet you can still see every aspect, every detail of its life. They come with a kit as various tools of the trade, things to collect your spiders with and persuade them to enter your collection pot. And of course you can access the spider and put food in there via this little port, which has a nice little cap that goes on like that. And that's really it. I mean, the spider is, we've got one in here, we've got a lovely house spider. This is probably one of the best spiders to begin with, because really they do so much. They don't spin a great big beautiful orb web, but in some ways they create a den, a lair for themselves, and you can watch it with great fascination from outside. And if you've got any questions, as with all my kits, most of them will be answered in the manual, all the tips on setting it up, different spiders you may come across, and which ones are suitable, which ones aren't suitable for your spider world. But it's all there. All you have to do is add your spiders.